Antibiotics, emergency medicines, and the anti-inflammatory drug. Injection amoxicillin. The drug is available in 10 ml of ampoules, 250 mg dilute, and the 20 ml of 10% glucose is injected IV very slowly or given in 5% dextrose drip. Indication: bronchial asthma, cardiac asthma, giant stroke, respiration. Side effects are nausea, vomiting, epileptomy, fits preceded by the twisting of the mouth or the 7 hyperventilation, collapse, and death. Injection morphine. It is available in 1 ml ampoules containing the solution and with the concentration of 15 mg per ml. Dose है 5 to 20 mg subcutaneously and intramuscularly. Indication as an analgesic. Example in the colic given along with the atropine and myocardial infarction as pre-anesthesia medication in acute left ventricular failure. Side effect: hypotension, respiratory depression, drug dependence, urinary retention, meiosis, and bradycardia. What is injection? Pethidine, meperidine. It is available in 2 ml ampoules containing the solution with a concentration of 50 mg per ml. Dose है 50 to 100 mg IM or IV, but slowly. Indication same as morphine except acute left ventricular failure. Side effect the same as morphine. Injection diazepam available in 2 ml ampoules containing 5 mg per ml solution, also available in 10 ml bulb. Dose है 10 mg IV and IM. Action है suppress the spread of the seizure by raising the seizure threshold. It however does not repress the abnormal discharge due to the seizure. Indication है as a muscle relaxant in the tetanus, as pre-anesthetic meditation in the treatment of the convulsion, psychomotor, the epilepsy and the stretches epilepsy as tranquilization. Injection Avil or clomifene and melinate available in 2 ml ampoules containing 22.7% mg per ml solution. Action: it inhibit the action of the histamine release and GIT tract, the uterus and blood vessels, but not affect on the bronchospasm, hypotension, and the gastric secretion. Indications are allergic reaction, for example, trigger blood transfusion, trigger drug reaction like urticaria, etc., pertussis, hypotonic. Side effect: the sedative, lassitude and fatigue, dryness of mouth, blurring of vision, nausea, vomiting, and epigastric distress, blood dyscrasis. Injection mannitol. It is a sugar and it available in 20% of the solution in a 350 ml glass bottle. Dose 10 to 20% of the solution should be infused rapidly in 15 to 20 minutes in a dose of 0.5 gram per kg body weight, but infusion rate should not be more than 3 gram per minute. Actions है कि when injected IV, the mannitol is not metabolized but rapidly filtered by the glomeruli, but non observable. It exerts considerable activity which interfere with the diffusion of water and reabsorption of the sodium in the tubules, causing the osmotic diuretic to be effective. Mannitol has been administration readily in the sufficient large dose. Indication: to induce the diuresis in case of barbiturate poisoning, to increase the urinary elimination of the barbiturate, any condition of threatened acute or allergic renal failure, prerenal cause. In such cases, prior correction of the hypothermia with the acute amount of the liquid is necessary. If urine flow rate increases to 100 ml per hour, more mannitol is given to maintain the high urine flow rate. If no diuresis occur after the initial mannitol infusion, the patient should be treated for acute renal failure, or no more mannitol should be given preoperatively at the time of the certain operations in the deeply jaundiced patient to prevent acute renal failure, to reduce the intracranial tension and treat the cerebral edema, for example, after the cerebrovascular accident, head injury, and the hepatic encephalopathy. The precautions: mannitol should be used with the cautions in the patient with a cardiac disease. It should not be used to the patient with a head injury, but the confirmation of the rule out the subdural or the intracerebral hematoma by CAT scan, etc., but can be used in rapidly decoration patient. There should not be the extravascular leakage. IV set should either be flushed with the isotonic saline or the saline or the changed with mannitol is followed by the blood. The adverse reaction aggravates CHF in a patient with a cardiac disease. When used rapidly, fluid overload occurs in a patient with the established acute renal failure. Contraindication: mannitol should not be used in a patient with a shock, cardiac failure, and established renal impairment. Anti-inflammatory drug: the two main it may be of two types: glucocorticoid and the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Glucocorticoid is steroid act by inhibiting the phospholipase A. Thus, release of the arachidonic acid from the membrane. Phospholipid is inhibited, and the formation of both prostaglandin and leukokinase is stopped. If the patient is being given the steroid, there is no need of give NSAID. Commonly used steroid hydrocorticoid cortisone 100 mg, prednisone 5 mg, dexamethasone 0.5 mg, beta-mannitone 0.5 mg. Mechanism of action: steroid act through the cytoplasmic reaction. The receptors steroid complex enter the nucleus and activates a certain part of DNA. This leads to the synthesis of the protein which inhibit the phospholipids A. The pharmacological actions of the steroid: metabolic effect: glycogen deposit in the liver, inhibit the glucose utilization by the peripheral tissue. Neoglucogenesis: loss of the calcium from bones. Blood vessel: restrict the capillary permeability, increase the vascular tone by adrenaline, angiotensin, increase blood pressure. CNS euphoria: stomach ulcerogenic and the lymphatic destructions in inflammation, inhibit the formation of PG. The PAF inhibit production of IL-1 and the TNF. They produce the symptomatic relief only, do not remove the cause of inflammation. Use of corticosteroid: the replacement therapy for acute and the chronic adrenal insufficiency. Pharmacotherapy: the general principle: use a single injection is not harmful. Short courses also are not very harmful if there is no contraindication. Long term use in the potential hazardous. Keep the dose at its minimum. If given by 2 weeks or more, their doses should be gradually reduced. The use of steroid is justified in arthritis, bronchial asthma, eye disease, skin disease, immunological disorders, severe allergic reactions in lymphomas and the lymphatic leukemia. In cases of the organ transplantation, adverse effect and the contraindication: peptic ulcer, diabetic mellitus, hypertension, pregnancy, tuberculosis and other infection, osteoporosis, conjunctive cardiac failure, suppression of the endogenous ACTH and the glucocorticosteroid by the negative feedback. Tips to minimize the adverse effect are: use of shorter period. Give the entire dose at the one time in the morning hour after breakfast. Switch to the alternate day therapy as soon as possible. Non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs (NSAIDs) are also called class of the drug used to treat the inflammation, mild moderate pain and the fever. Aspirin, diclofenac, indomethacin, naproxen, ceftriaxone, ibuprofen, ketorolac, oxyprofen, pyridoxine, mefenic acid and salicylate uses they are used for primarily used to treat the inflammation and moderate pain and fever. Specific use include the treatment of headache, arthritis, ankylocycline, spondylitis, sport injury and the menstrual cramps. Ketorolac is used only for the short-term treatment or moderately severe acute pain that otherwise would be treated with a necrosis. Aspirin is also used to inhibit the clotting of the blood and prevent the stroke and heart attack in the individual at high risk for the stroke and the heart attack. And these are included in many cold and allergic preparation. Celecoxib is used for the treating family adenomatous polyposis to prevent the formation and growth of the colon polyp. Mode of action: prostaglandins are a family of the chemical that are produced by the cell of the body and have severe important function. They promote the inflammation that is necessary for healing, but also result in pain and fever, support the blood clotting function of the platelet, and protect the lining of the stomach for the damaging effect of acid. The prostaglandins are used within the body's cell by the enzymes cyclin cyclooxygenase. There are two types of COX enzyme, COX-1, COX-2. Both enzymes produce the prostaglandin that promote the inflammation, pain, and fever. However, only COX-1 produces the prostaglandin that support the platelet and protect the stomach. Non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs block the COX enzyme and reduce the prostaglandin throughout the body. As a consequence, ongoing inflammation, pain, and fever are reduced since the prostaglandin that protect the stomach and support the platelet and blood clotting are also reduced. NSAIDs are also in the stomach and promote the bleeding. Side effect: NSAID are associated with the several side effects. The frequency of side effect varies among different NSAID. Common side effects are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, disease, appetite, rash, dizziness, headache and drowsiness. Other important side effects are kidney failure, liver failure, ulcer, and prolonged bleeding after injury or surgery. NSAIDs are causes water fluid retention, which can lead to the edema, which is most commonly manifested by the swelling of the ankle. What are analgesics? Drugs which are relieve pain by acting on the central nervous system and reduce without a loss of consciousness. There are two types: narcotic analgesics, non-narcotic analgesics. Non-narcotic analgesics do not produce specific depressions of the central nervous system. Example: salicylate-related compound. Narcotic analgesics produce depression of the central nervous system. Classified natural and synthesis. Natural analgesic: morphine, codeine, etc. Synthesis and methadone, etc. Detail of some analgesic are following: morphine, codeine. Morphine हो चुका है. कोडीन, while crystalline powder soluble in water, bitter in taste, less potent analgesic than morphine, better absorbed when administration orally. Pethidine, described in emergency medicine. Methadone, synthetic compound slightly potent than morphine, available in the methadone hydrochloric tablet dose up to 5 to 10 mg, available in ampoules in the injection form, used as substitute for the morphine and the pethidine, and the give relief for the visceral pain and the respiratory depression.